Welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. I know it's been a while. I hate to make excuses, but I do have a full-time job other than this, and life gets in the way, and I am extremely lazy. So that's probably the whole problem there. But I think this is going to be a good episode. I think you're going to like this one. I'm going to be finishing up the brakes, the rear brakes, getting that all mounted up and finished up, and lines run. And I'm going to work on the electrical box and figure out how it's going to be laid out. And plus I'm going to change the way the cover gets put on it. I got some latches I'm going to add to it. So let's do this. Let's get on it. See if we can pretend like we know what we're doing. But we're gonna try to figure it out. All right, the way this was set up and the directions they gave was to tap a hole right here in the brake holder. And this piece here would go into this spot on the bike, go over and hold it into place. All right, like that. And what that does is that puts the caliper down here. And I just hate the way that looks. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But the way I'm going to do this is if you move it up here in between the frame mounts, there's plenty of room to mount it right there. Alright? So I can still use that same tapped hole. Let me see. Where's that little strap at? Oh, here it is. So this piece came with it's a handlebar mount. Mount something onto the handlebar, but it fits on here good. And I cut this little tube right here that's going to go in between it. All right, and be able to boop, go right in and attach right into that hole right there. And that should get my brakes started. Then I'm gonna install my little rubber mounts in here, and what else do I got to do? Oh yeah, get the brake caliper mounted up, get this all into place and mounted. So let me get on that. Right there, that long bolt that's for tensioning up the back tire and keeping the chain tight and keeping the wheel straight. That bolt's way longer than it needs to be, so I'm going to shorten that bolt up later. Right here I'm attaching a T-joint into the brake lines to the back of the battery box, and that's going to be where I mount my brake light sensor. Alright, time to jump on these brake lines, get these done. Seeing how it's a hardtail now, I figure I'd just use hard brake lines. Hopefully this will work. There, I made sure that I put the copper washer there. Keep everything sealed in good. All right, let's move on and get this electrical box modified here. So what I'm gonna do is, let me see, where is it? What I got are these spring-loaded clips, all right, that are gonna get mounted on this right here. And let me see, it has a little catch piece normally that's in front of it like this that catches it like that. So instead of doing that, what I'm doing is on the front plate, this is going to get mounted onto the front plate to where it sticks out about 1/4 inch, maybe a little less, and then it turns up. I have that on both sides. It's going to be bolted on here. And that way you just put this on the front. When this goes on, hook this over and we'll latch it, and it locks into place like that. So I can get to the electrical box pretty easy. We'll see, it might look cheesy, but I kind of like it. Something different. I ain't seen nothing like it. So let me get on it. Oh my God, it's hotter than the surface of the sun out here. Hey guys, let me know how I'm doing on this bike. Let me know if I'm doing something crazy. You know, I don't want the thing to snap in half going down the road, rip my taint off and go flying off into a ditch or nothing. Y'all see me doing something wrong on this. My first motorcycle build. Let me know. If you think I'm doing it right, let me know. All right. Hey, and next episode, I'm going to be working on the forward controls again. I'm redesigning them. I got to get them sticking out further because the my leg going around the exhaust, it's just a little too tight in there. I'm gonna do that, and a future episode I'm gonna be doing the hand controls, getting those set up, and we're getting close. All right, guys, y'all take it easy.